Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa with the sub for inside this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come back with breaking news. We don't come back with updates. We don't come back with fresh reports. We go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now we say one popular Lagos-based cleric and spiritual leader of the INRI Evangelical Spiritual Church, and this country person they go by the name Primate Elijah Ayodele. Him now don't come outside and drop an interesting declaration. He now don't come outside the yarn they give the general public. Say Mr. Peter Obi of the Labour Party alone no get the full requirements. He no get all it takes to stop our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's re-election for the year 2027. For one statement now wey dey issued by the spiritual leader in media aid wey be Osho Oluwatosin. Now they let us they know say it go take more than Mr. Peter Obi, it go take more than the Labour Party their candidate or the current opposition coalition women they arrange to unseat our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Man wey be say according to him don't do relatively better than his predecessor, the former president of we nation Muhammadu Buhari. According to how men take write and for inside the statement, according to how the spiritual leader take yarn and give the general public, he said Mr. Peter Obi alone cannot weaken our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's ambition. He cannot win the presidency by himself, and the opposition doesn't yet have the people where they need to truly challenge our president. Now, while the spiritual leader they yarn all this level, so as they let men they know on this important updates, he no reveal any names, he no mention anybody will go through defeat our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But him now they claim say he gets 3 individuals waiting for inside we nation Nigeria, and these 3 individuals get the potential, them get the ability, them get what it take to alter the political equation, to disrupt things and things if they decide to run or join the opposition movement. According to Hinte Yana for the statement, he said if any of these 3 key figures enter the race or align with the coalition, make our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu just forget about 2027, because their involvement go shift everything. Their involvement go bring a major change. The cleric now, the spiritual leader, they acknowledge the performance of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu so far. Him now they yarn and say yes, Mr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't do plenty things, and him now don't show more effort than the former President Muhammadu Buhari, and through his actions, through his policies and everything, he now don't display potential. He now don't let the general public know say he go do better in a second term. That is if Nigerians give him the chance. But however, him now they advise our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu say he must tread with caution, he must move carefully, particularly in northern Nigeria where betrayal could come unexpectedly. He said our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu must work on the north. If he doesn't put the right people in key positions, his ambitions could be cut short. There are people around him who might betray that trust when it matters the most. He said the men will mount around our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu when the time don't reach. Some of those men go turn Judas. And also, our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu need to take 3 specific actions. Although he no mention the actions we our president need to take to secure a second term, but he now they let men they know say 2027 is nothing like 2023. 2027 is different, very much different from 2023. 2027 no go be a walk in the park at all. Everywhere go hot that period. The presence or absence of these 3 mysterious figures now go make all the difference, that go change things. This man good people now the words of the prophet as in don't yarn for inside his statement. And normally he don't talk the things of the spirit, he don't talk the things and things now in the way we say prophets they normally talk them. Many if you understand, many if you no understand. Meanwhile, anyhow this report be for body, or if you be say you get contributions, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put out your comments inside our comment section. But meanwhile, we still get another report for table we I still need share with the general public. And the cocoa be say the national youth leader of the All Progressive Grand Alliance will be APGA, and this leader they go by the name Mr. Eze Oyebuchi Chukwu. He now done the call on the former vice president will be Atiku Abubakar say make him reconsider his rumoured bid for the 2027 presidential election. Him now dey urge Mr. Atiku Abubakar say instead of him now to come dey run for presidency again for inside the year 2027, e go better make him just channel that his energy, make him just channel that his vibe to go support a more younger and a more visionary candidate. And said according to Mr. Eze Onyebuchi, he say time now don reach for political elders for inside we nation Nigeria to begin to dey hand over the reins of leadership, begin to dey hand over the baton of leadership to the next generation. No be say you go contest even as you don old wey you suppose to go dey rest, you go still dey contest for presidency. He now dey appeal, he now dey beg Atiku Abubakar to make him channel his influence and political network into backing a credible young aspirant rather than seeking to return to the ballot box for a 6th time. And my good people, this Mr. Eze Onyebuchi wey dey yarn all this level so is not a hater of Mr. Atiku Abubakar. No. In fact, this man was once the coordinator of the Articulation movement in the Federal Capital Territory. During the 2019 elections, Mr. Eze Onyebuchi now dey let the general public dey know say he no dey happy at all. Him now dey express disappointment. Say the former president, despite the widespread support from youth in the past years, he has not championed meaningful youth inclusion in leadership. The man no dey carry young people along, but young people now dey back am up in almost everything wey him dey do. Mr. Eze Onyebuchi constantly let men dey know say he personally spend his own money and resources saying dey campaign for the former president because of say him bin dey believe say at the long run Mr. Atiku Abubakar go champion youth development, youth empowerment. But after contesting against Jonathan for the year 2015, the inconstant contest against Buhari for the year 2019, and inconstant contest again against Tinubu for the year 2023. He still wan go contest again for the year 2027. Now Atiku Abubakar na be the only Nigerian wey fit to lead. So like this now, my good people, the APGA youth leader now dey yarn say time don reach for Nigerian youth to begin to dey reject political movements wey dey exclude their voices and participation, insisting that the future of the country dey depend on bold, forward-thinking leadership from the younger generation. This my good people na the reports, na the information I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey like give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update and you go still like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, na you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. Now me dey go get more news, me dey go get more reports, me dey go get more information for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.